how to make lasagna at home. For that, I have these ingredients. I have salt, pepper, turmeric, chili powder, bay leaf, basil, garlic, mace, and chopped onion. I'm also using fresh cilantro, ground beef, 2 pounds of ground beef, tomato sauce, and diced onion. Preheat the pan and add 2 cups of vegetable oil. Let it heat it, and then once your oil is heated, add the onion. I like to add my bay leaf and garlic right after it. Once your onion is nice and golden, add the beef. Let it cook for at least 5 to 6 minutes. Right now, it's time to add all the dry goods seasoning, and then right after that, the tomato sauce. Mix it well. Add 1 cup of water as it's needed. Let the sauce cook on low heat for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Once it's cooked, add your fresh cilantro. Now it's time to make lasagna. I'm using whole wheat lasagna sheet and then spinach. Now we have to build the lasagna, so I have added 2 full scoops of meat sauce at the bottom, starting with the meat sauce. Make sure the meat sauce in every corner properly. And then next we have the mixed cheese all over. Next we're gonna go with spinach, baby spinach. Just continue the same steps until full. Make sure the lasagna sheets are nice and on place. Add the meat sauce all over. You can say 2 cups. You can add each level. And then I'm preheating my oven 350. I'm adding the meat sauce again, finishing. And make sure the sauces covered the sheet, because we are use this recipe. I'm not cooking the lasagna sheet, so there's enough liquid to cook lasagna sheet. Good, while you are baking. So I cover the lasagna with aluminum foil. Set the timer for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, there you go. Take off the aluminum foil and then bake it for another 2 minutes so the cheese melts. And